All right, new project. Welcome back to Rashad's Garage. Today, I got my friend's charger in here. It's got something happened to it, and I'm just gonna put it back together real quick. Got Casey bringing some parts in. Yeah, I'll probably set up a camera. This is a quick video. Rebuilding this thing, putting it back together. I'll show you guys what I do. I use the puke con. That's what my wife calls it. I use the puke con to get all the parts. Got a fender, mystery box, another mystery box, and another mystery box. And then he wants a one of those wicker bills on it. Don't know if I'm gonna do that yet, but we'll see. So I need to pull this out somehow. He didn't get a new one, so I'm gonna salvage this one. I don't have my plastic welder, but I gotta somehow fix this so I can put mount the headlight back on it. And then I already took the fender off. Was gonna keep it, but it was better just to get rid of it instead of trying to smooth this out. I'm not a body guy, but I do know how to do some stuff, but that I don't want to mess with. Rather him just get a new fender, so he did. So let's go set up the GoPro and record this. So what he did is he bought a fender off eBay that's already painted. We just unwrapped it, but it looks pretty close. I don't know how much you paid for. You probably have to look it up yourself, but this is a new fender, old fender, and it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go slap it on and show you how it looks. So these bumpers come folded up, which is pretty weird. I'm pretty sure this is a front bumper. Let me show you guys the rear bumper. So I know it's weird. I have it sitting out because I don't want to touch the rocks. We carefully placed it on this. It came folded in a box. And I'm just leaving out in the sun so it can form. Yeah, these are weird. So if you ever buy the eBay painted bumpers for your car, just know there's a possibility they're going to come folded. So these bumpers that are folded on eBay, I wouldn't recommend because of this. I guess I don't know if he opted to be folded because I know it is cheaper. I dealt with the same thing buying a lip for my Z, but both corners folded and it creased, and the other bumper's damaged as well. I'll definitely let him know to take a picture of this and send it in the to the seller. Let him know that they fucked up. So we got the front bumper put on. I'll show you guys right now. It's backwards, but it's an SRT. But in all seriousness, We're waiting for the other headlight. He couldn't find it, but we do have the rear bumper taken off. We're about to put the new one on. I did message him. I told him about the crease in the bumper right here. And the other one, I don't know if he wants us to put this on yet. And it's easier to put the light on, so I'm waiting for that. Like I said, this is fine. It's not being scratched. We carefully placed it. This one's been sitting out in the sun long enough. I think it's good to put on the car. So we're about to move all the stuff over from the other bumper and put it on this one. Let's see how it looks. A couple hours later of BSing and messing around. Got the bumper put on. The car did have a dent, so it's not leveled. I mean, try to push it in, but I guess the body is just dented on this side. But besides that, bumper looks good. The eBay color match came out good. I wouldn't recommend buying a folded bumper though. This one did have some scratches on it when I bought it. I mean, well, not when I bought it, when he bought it. I opened it up, had a scratch on the side. And then this keeps popping out. I tried popping it back in. I'll probably fix it later, but so far so good. I got the rear bumper on, the front fender. Everything's bolted down as it should be, but there's a gap. It's just the way the fender bolts. I might try to adjust it. And then I got the nice headlight in with the nice SRT bumper. Got the nice headlight in. He couldn't find the other headlight, so I'm waiting for him to see if he wants me to put the bumper back on. And if he wants, if he does, I need that headlight first, because to put the headlight in, you need the bumper off. So just gonna wait for him to give me a word on that, and I'll put that headlight in for him once he gets it. And if he wants a bumper, I'll put it on. But right now, I guess I'll try to straighten this out and then pull it out the garage and put my Jeep and Nissan back in here. All right, I know I jumped around a lot and I didn't show a lot because this car has been a pain in the ass just because it doesn't have the freaking support for the hood. I mean, the bumper underneath the hood. Remember, this bumper was one of those folded bumpers, so the piece on the bottom, it doesn't clip in right. I did let it sit out in the sun, but it is winter, so the sun wasn't really out, even in Arizona. But looks good-ish. The car was rough to start off with, but with the bumper, it looks a little better. It still has this damage. It didn't have the piece on this side to align the bumper. This side had it, like I said, underneath in the paint. The eBay fold bumpers, but the lights came out good. Let's go around. And then the back bumper came out good as well. So the car is finished. He's gonna come pick it up tomorrow. And yeah, that was it. That's a quick fix on the Charger. And then, yes, the Jeep will be getting fixed. I have the alternator coming in. It should be here hopefully by Thursday. Today's Saturday, so hopefully Thursday. Have the alternator. I'll throw that in so I can kick off my vacation right away with off-roading. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe for more.